Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and Dlamini's on Monday, Jengai and Peten rekindle their love. Nomalanga reveals a harsher truth about her other enemy when Zeni is madly in love with her tutor and it makes her feel unstoppable. On Tuesday, a fuming Vusi confronts Pagami with the rumor he was told Velepi and Sangweni fail at another mission. One of the helpers must get support from everyone after she announces that she wants to resign. On Wednesday, after a tense confrontation, Nomalanga does something dangerous and dramatic, but who will be hurt most? When Zeni shares something personal with her parents, while the helpers bid farewell to one of their own. Series finale new telenovela Homecoming replaces Sibongile and Dlamini once it ends, and Homecoming will start on Monday, 28 July 2025 at 6:30 on channel 163. Thank you guys for watching.